Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about something a little different. How to pull off a Temu Hattrick. Sounds cool, right? Show you how to learn to take advantage of some new savvy shopping tricks on Temu. First, if you're new to Temu, sign up for an account. New users often get welcome deals including special discounts or credits for your first purchase. Perfect for starting off your Temu journey. Now, keep your eyes peeled for Temu's flash sales and daily deals. You can often grab hot items at crazy low prices or even free. Trick 2. Use these sales to score discounts or snag free stuffs. Finally, make sure you're stacking coupons. Temu allows you to use multiple discounts on a single order. Combine a sale with a coupon code and you'll maximize your savings. That's trick 3. Double down on savings. And there you have it, the Temu Hattrick. Sign up, refer friends, grab the best sales, and stack those coupons for maximum savings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.